is the first day of using this little kit. I'm sure if you googled this video, you probably know about this product, so you can skip probably like 30 seconds. It's essentially a 30-day miracle starter kit. Step 1 is cleansing with this bar. Step 2 is the miracle toner. Step 3 is a serum. And then we got a little cream. I will update you every 3 days or so. Essentially, I'm going to be using this step, and this step every day, day and night. And if I have makeup, I'll use the whole double cleanse routine, of course. Acid... what is it called? Oh my god. Exfoliator. It's called acid exfoliator. I'm only going to be using this 3 times a week. Anyways, they all contain AHA, BHA, PHA. And these are the things that are going to clear my acne. PHA, BHA, bruh. PHA, AHA, whatever. So I'll show you how I do the routine, but I'm just gonna go do this step now in the bathroom because I'm not about to bring a bowl here and just do the whole thing. Like, I'm not on that level yet. We don't have funding for that yet. Okay, I'm back. This is what my face looks after soaping. I still have blackheads, so I didn't remove them. A miracle hasn't happened yet, but we are hopeful. It felt really gentle, the soap. I'm gonna get a non-reusable cotton pad. Don't come at me, okay? Please. I'm just like...
Is that even gonna last me 30 days?
See, there's no dirt. I've never had a skincare routine. Probably that's why I have acne, you know. Don't forget your neck. How does my face feel? It feels a bit sticky. I can feel like a residue on my skin. And I do feel like now the whole acne is just resurfacing. So this is the serum. You should not touch your face with the pipette. How does my skin feel? It feels activated. Third step, I'm gonna use this cream. After putting the cream, it feels like quite nourished. My skin feels like fresh. The cream is really, it's quite lightweight. I can feel the cream on my skin, of course. I feel like tingling sensations almost in this part and this part. How does it look? This side just looks so red. Oh my gosh, you see this? That's a pimple coming out on the surface. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't there before. And look at that. Oh, look at that. Look, that's a pimple as well. That's like ready to come out. And there. And here. Oh my gosh. Well,
maybe miracles do happen.
It's day DOS. Just wanted to do an update on day 2. So how does my skin look? It looks the same. I'm gonna be using these tools.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
These tools. This is what dermatologists use. If you're gonna use them, I would suggest like actually researching about them. Like, if you don't want to see gross stuff, don't watch. Yeah, it's definitely coming out. It hurts. Okay, I'm crying, and I've watched this video that if you're crying and you're trying to do this, then that means you're doing it wrong. Bruh. I'm gonna sneeze. And then these little pus things come out, and then you wipe them out. Look, can you see this? Okay, it just hurts. I'm gonna stop now. So now what I'm gonna do, the full routine. I've washed my face with a soap now. It feels refreshed, it feels nice. And when I was touching like the areas that I really went in on, so like the nose, it just feels extremely smooth and not textured. Day 2. This area is just so bad, but I think it's because I keep like resting on my face. And then this is my cheek. So you can see there is kind of an oil buildup, and this is like my nose. So there's clearly blackheads there. This is day 3. I didn't use the toner because you're not supposed to use it every day. Throughout where I scraped. It just feels bumpy again. My skin right now feels extremely textured. It's day 4. I've done some digging. And girl, all I've been finding out is how dumb I am. And how dumb I am regarding skincare. Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Huh? That thing that I scraped my skin 2 days ago, I think that's what's causing me to break out. I'm just getting new pimples like everywhere. Apparently you're not even supposed to scrape it, guys. You're not even supposed to scrape your skin. Here. Look at that. Look at that.
I need to know, when am I gonna leave this misery?
What I've noticed with the product is that my skin, it just feels dry, especially around this area and this area. It's a goddamn mess. So just to update you, like how my skin looks, basically it just looks fucking shit. Non so andrà a giri. Piat. Say 5.
This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge.
This just popped up. There's less spots here. My chin is terrible. Here, I'm getting a rash. Oh, don't look at my eyebrows, please. Here, also, here, it just hurts. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's drying out my skin even more. It feels dry even though I put moisturizer on. Like, that shouldn't be happening, right? Here, like, I remember there was bumps. And as you can see now, there's no more bumps here. And, like, when I touch it, it actually feels smooth. And, like, there are some parts of my face that just feel really smooth. It's day 7. Done the dumbest thing today. I put a sunscreen on. I'm gonna show you which sunscreen. So I put this sunscreen on, and it's supposed to be an all-natural sunscreen. It has like 5 ingredients, and I put it on my face. I could feel it. I could feel it tingling. I could feel it itchy. Like now I removed it, but I can still feel those sensations. I just wouldn't put this on your face. On body, like, yeah, not on your face. Did the toner. And then I just like dabbed it everywhere. So the toner gets into my skin instead of rubbing it. Basically, my skin looks terrible, and I'm pretty sure it's not because these products are not working. It's because of my actions, actually. You know, I've been scraping my skin in the past 7 days. I have been experimenting with my skin. And, you know, I don't know if this is purging, but I'm getting like new acne. In 7 days, my skin, it is changing. Like, I am noticing smoother skin tone. There's no more acne around here. It's just that the places that I scrape, those are just purging. I'm actually like really liking the moisturizer. It feels nice on the skin. It feels cooling. It feels nice on my acne. So it's day 10.
These are my cheeks.
It's day 14. And yeah, this is my skin. So skin update. Today I was washing my face, and basically all my blackheads felt like they were at the surface. Usually they feel like they're deep inside, but today Oh my gosh, it was so textured. I did all 4 steps. I am gonna say I don't really like the cleansing bar. Every time I wash with it, my skin feels dry. When you try to treat acne, you shouldn't be drying out your skin too much. You need to have moisture in your skin. This is why it's essential you put moisturizer, because if your skin is dry, your skin is gonna think it needs to produce extra oil, extra sebum. That means extra acne, because you're clogging your pores essentially. So apparently, like, key is to not dry out your skin, and I've noticed that the cleansing bar is drying out my skin.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yeah! Now let's see how it looks so far.
Hi, so it's the 20th day and I have some updates. So first of all, I stopped using the bar because it was just too dry for the face and I didn't enjoy the feel of it. So I'm not using the soap bar anymore. I'm using the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm, and honestly, it feels amazing. You cleanse your face and then you wash it out and it still feels moisturized. It's amazing. Okay, so my skin, look at this. I don't feel like it's improving, but the texture is improving. Yeah, I've got a spot here.
Brett, what is that nasty thing on top of your face? Is that a pimple? Bitch, what is that nasty thing on top of your neck? Is that your face?
And like, I feel like my blackheads are like really coming onto the surface. It's the day 20th and yeah, the moisturizer like completely ran out. So I'm gonna be using from day 20th now Snow Mushroom Moisturizer, but I'm still using the serum and I'm still using the toner. It's day 24. Here are my skin updates.
This is what my forehead looks like.
The texture of my skin is like much nicer. Yeah, I am trying to exercise, I am trying to eat healthy. We still got 6 days to get a miracle over on this face. And you know what? Maybe my face has improved. I just need to edit this video and really see. This is the final product of 30-day miracle. Have I seen miracles happen? In a way, my skin texture is much better. Doesn't look as irritated. Was it a miracle? I think the miracle was me actually being interested in skincare for 30 days every day. Building that routine and not skipping a day. Has it done miracles on my face? I feel like my face does look better, I guess. My favorite products out of Some by Me, things that I would buy again, would definitely be the toner. I really enjoyed Some by Me, the cream. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you what my skin looks day 30. See it. Some by Me, you're doing good. Whatever you're doing, whatever formulas you're creating, it does work.